Hello, I am Saurabh Borua. Today I will show a simple signalized intersection where there are pedestrian lane and separate bike lane. So to do this, to make a NetEdit file, firstly go to NetEdit, open NetEdit in SUMO. From SUMO, then go to File, create new network, and we can see this window and it will be in network mode, and within that it will be in the edge mode. Clicking it, dragging it will create a edge, that is road link. Then again clicking it, create another edge. Now to create the crossroad, clicking, selecting on it, then dragging it, and this is created a crossroad. Now we have to create opposite direction lane. To do this, first go to the select mode, click the lanes, that is edge, and then and then uh, right button click, go to edge operation, then go to add reverse to direction. We are creating reverse direction lane and skip to deselect, and again select these two lane and right click, go to edge operation and add reverse to direction. We are done with another two reverse to direction lane. Now click on the node, go to the compute junction. Our junction is created. Now we have to add lanes for bike and lanes for create lanes for pedestrian. Now select this two lane, two edge, then right button click, lane operation, go to edge restriction for bike lane. We have added uh, bike lane, restricted bike lane. Similarly, press escape. S- Similarly, click opposite two direction lane and go to lane operation, add restricted lane, add bike lane. Now we have to add similarly for other lanes. To add the bike lane, add restricted lane and go to the bike lane. We are adding restricted bike lane. Then again selecting this, go to the lane operation, add restricted lane, add bike lane. So our bike lane is added. Now you have to add lane for pedestrian. Now select the lane. Similarly, go to the add restriction, go to the sidewalk, then add it. And again, clicking the edges, right button click, lane operation, go to edge restriction and select sidewalk. And now I am doing the adding side road for the other two lane, line operation, add sidewalk. That's it. And again, clicking these two edge, go to the lane operation, add lane restriction, sidewalk. Our sidewalk is not yet added. Lane operation, add restriction, sidewalk. Our sidewalk and bicycle lane is added with the road for all intersection, for all approaches of this intersection. Now we have to go to the demand tab. Now go to the route, selecting routes one and selecting from to S for the route, and click here on the left side, finish route. Then go to the vehicle mode, add vehicle, and go to the route mode again, add just Now go to the route mode and select the lane, finish route mode, add vehicle. Say our vehicle is, we have to select it will be flow over route. Now go to the route mode. Now say for example, the number of vehicle is 500 and go to the route mode, select this route. We have to assign the vehicle actually. Our vehicle is assigned for the east-west bound approach. Similarly, uh, we have to add vehicle for the from west to eastbound traffic. So for doing this, go to the route mode, select this route and select the westbound route and go to the vehicle mode. No, first go to the route mode, select this finish route. Now go to the vehicle mode, clicking it and make it say for the number of vehicle here is our vehicle per hour is 6,600. Similarly, we have to assign north to southbound traffic. For north to southbound traffic, go to the route mode, select one one approach, select another approach for the traffic, and now click finish route selection and go to the vehicle mode, click for the vehicle, and for example, our number of vehicle here is 400. Similarly, again go to the route mode, select one route, select one approach and select corresponding approach, finish route and add vehicle. Say our number of vehicle in this route is 7,700 and clicking it, you can see that there are vehicle assigned. So our vehicle assignment is done now. Now what we have to do, we have to assign pedestrian and bicycle. So similarly, we have to assign the bicycle actually. Go to the route mode and the route will be bicycle. So actually for route, we do not need to actually, it can be passenger. It is not problem actually. It can be passenger. Go to the vehicle mode. Now change vehicle type to default bike type and say our number of bicycle is say 100. Now go to route mode. Again select two approaches, finish route, and after finishing this, we have to assign vehicles. To assign vehicles. To assign vehicles for the route. Similarly, for bike type in other directions, say there is 200 bike in this route. Select this. One thing we can assign, we can do, yes, we can assign bike over here. Select route type, this one, and finish route. Go to vehicle type. Our vehicle type is bicycle. Now select this route. Our bicycle is assigned. Similar to similar for the opposite direction traffic, uh, we can assign bicycle as well. For simplicity, I am avoiding right now. Now we have to assign pedestrian. So to assign pedestrian, go to the pedestrian mode. Then we have to from drop down select the default pedestrian type is okay. Our it will be pedestrian flow. Then select pedestrian trip type will be walk. Then select route for assigning pedestrians. Say our pedestrian is 200. This is for one direction. For other direction, again, again say make it unselect, then go to the other route and selecting, say our pedestrian on the other route is 300 and finish the route. We have to finish the actual route. Similarly, for this direction, we have to also finish the route. Select this and say this direction, pedestrian is 200, finish, we have to finish the route. And that's it all about. And we have to assign the signal. To assign the signal, go to the network mode, select the junction, select the network junction, and uh, in the junction, what we have to do is uh, just make it little bit smaller. In the junction, we have to select the traffic light mode and selecting the junction, create. We can see the uh, traffic light here over here. Now save the individual files. Say make it in a different folder. Say in the user, we can save it in our convenient location. I'm saving it. Say this name is assignment 101, and the root file will be assigned root file. Save the root file, save that network file. Also save the SUMO config file. And we have to save the network config file. Now go to edit, open SUMO GUI, make delay little bit more, say the delay is 20. Now run it. We can see pedestrian and vehicle. Also we can see the bicycle are moving. So to make it, we can go to the real world. You can see there are pedestrian moving, bicycle are moving in the bicycle lane, and also vehicle are moving. And that's it all about my simple SUMO network. Thank you.